Next week for most of us. Meteorologist Kate Bilo is in the Hyundai Next Weather Sphere to prepare and protect us from the dangerous cold and the feels like temperatures. Kate, going to be even worse.
That's right, Janelle. I think we'll wake up Tuesday morning and again Wednesday morning to feels like temperatures, wind chills below zero. But before we get to that, we're going to be talking about some snow and possibly some significant accumulations later on Sunday. This storm is trending more and more impactful for our region. We'll start off with right now. Many spots picked up snow last night. It really just snowed lightly but steadily right through yesterday evening. Some spots picking up 1 to 2 inches. And so we still have some slippery spots on the roads this morning because temperatures in most spots are still below freezing, including Philadelphia. It's back up to 30 degrees right now in the city. It's 31 in Wilmington, 30 in Millville. We're back to the 20s after a morning in the teens in our shore spots, but cold enough that anything that fell last night is likely still slick. It's still icy, and if you didn't get out and shovel that front walkway, it is likely still snow covered. So the weather today will help melt that a little bit because we are going to see temps get into the 40s, but you do want to just watch out where you're walking. Anything that looks wet, at least for this morning, is likely to be ice. Your next 12 hours, this is kind of Mother Nature's little preemptive gift to us. Enjoy today because it's all going to come crashing down after this. We've got temps in the low 40s. You can see 39 at 4 o'clock. It'll feel close to what it is because the wind is not bad today either, so that's good news. Clear skies tonight, and then we've got some showers tomorrow. So through the rest of this morning, still some icy spots, at least until we get those temperatures above freezing. Anything that's in the shade, that's not in direct sunlight, will stay kind of icy and snow covered as well. Over the weekend, a shower chance tomorrow afternoon, but then we enter next weather alert mode on Sunday. We're going to stay in alert mode through Wednesday, but Sunday's alert is for snow, and then Monday through Wednesday, it's for a serious Arctic blast, the coldest in over 5 years in our region. You can't really see much developing just yet. We've got just some clouds overhead today. We'll see sunshine through most of the day, but I want to just jump ahead to Sunday because we'll get more in depth with this with the full forecast in a few minutes, but this is going to be during the Eagles playoff game. I think it starts around noon if the timing holds as it looks right now, ends by about 9 o'clock, at least 2 to 4 inches, but higher amounts are possible and, might I add, are looking more and more likely as we head toward the weekend, and that means messy snow-covered roads, especially for your drive home from the game or from your watch party location. We'll take a closer look at the timing and how much we could see, plus how cold it's going to feel behind that storm. That's coming up in just a few minutes. Janelle, I'll send it back to the range of dangerous cold. When we get wind chills dropping down to near zero or even sub-zero, that is dangerous. You do not want to be out for any length of time. It can lead to frostbite and, again, can lead to severe health implications. So definitely a smart choice there. Let's talk about what everyone's wondering about, and that is the snow and the cold. We're going to kind of skip over today. We talked about today briefly earlier, but today is kind of a sunny, dry, pretty quiet day across the region. Good day to kind of get prepped, as Brandon was telling us. But let's pull up our national map, and I want to show you the timing on, it's really 2 systems. There's one for tomorrow and one for Sunday. The Sunday storm is certainly going to be the bigger impact maker for us. But look at the time at the bottom of your screen. It says temperatures. This is actually future radar. Saturday's storm, not going to do much. But Sunday, that's when this next low develops. And look at that. It is going to be snow for much of our area, and it's going to really come through quickly but heavily as this low moves off the coast. Watch it again. It's going to develop right here, moving right up through our region, and we get in on the northern edge of this. So center of the low goes out to sea. Here's tomorrow, by the way, just a few rain showers. And then here comes that second storm one more time. Look at the white, and that is snow right over the Philadelphia area for Sunday. And it looks like the bulk of the storm, really the brunt of this system, will be happening during the Eagles game. And of course, that could lead to an additional round of problems, especially for folks on the roads driving home from the game on Sunday. So let's take you through it. We'll take you through the timing basically locally first and foremost. Starting off with tomorrow, just a quick look at tomorrow's rain showers. Looks like mainly rain. There may be some snow in the Poconos tomorrow afternoon as that first system moves through. Doesn't look like much. That clears out and your Saturday night plans are a go. Sunday, if you're trying to make your decision, do I want to go to a watch party for the game? Do I want to stay home on my couch? As of now, I would recommend staying home on the couch. Here's why. By the time we get to noon, this is 12:30, we're starting to see snow already breaking out across the region, and you can see winds coming in from the north. That's that first push of that cold Arctic air we've been talking about. Look at how this is lining right up along I-95. You have a lot of people coming into the game at this time. It's going to be snowing, and it could be snowing heavily, reducing visibility. And if you get this banding, because the center of the low is out to sea. The cold air is coming in behind it. You get these bands that set up, and you could see snowfall rates exceeding an inch per hour. That's what we call thumping snow. And we may see some of that, and a lot of this happening during the Eagles game in Philadelphia. This is 5:30, still snowing heavily. Game comes to an end. The snow starts to diminish at 7:30, but anything that will have fallen is on the roads. Roads are messy, and this is going to be a very slow drive home. If you can avoid it, I would recommend it. Now, the track may shift a bit, but as of now, the GFS model is trending stronger with accumulations 3, even 6 plus. This darker shading here on this model is 6 inches. The possibility certainly is there for a good 4 to 8 storm. The European model is slightly weaker, but still has over 3 inches for much of the area. So snow likely throughout the course of the game. I don't think it's much warmer than about the freezing mark on Sunday. And after that storm departs, that's going to kick off a brutal invasion of Arctic air. Look at that, as I like to call it, the black hole of Arctic doom coming very close to our area. The worst of the Arctic air stays north, but this is cold we haven't felt in quite some time, since 2018. In fact, highs in the teens, morning lows in the single digits, and we will be in next weather alert mode Sunday all the way through Wednesday. Make sure you stay tuned. Your next weather team will keep you prepared and protected with all of the latest information through the weekend. Janelle, back over to you.
Never good when you use the word doom in your forecast, Kate.
No.
All right, thank you.